Ready for the most luxurious staycation of your life? This place takes hotel design to a new level of modern luxury. From the unique man-made beach and infinity pool terrace to one of the tallest grand atrium at 180 meters high. Dine at 9 exceptional restaurants by Michelin-starred chef. Unwind on their private beach and indulge in a spectacular world-class spa. Enjoy a good night's sleep at many of their deluxe suites and a family suite with 2 to 3 bedrooms. Come stay at the world's most iconic hotel in Dubai.